world's fastest runner does with his feet.
And go!
Faster? You got it! Hot and hot, 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 hot.
Cactus! Do you think they even noticed they went past Guanji, the Spinosaurus guy? I don't think so. They're way too focused.
Stretch, just gotta get through the valley of broken glass. Huh? Oh, paper cut.
So glad it wasn't me with covered cactus spines. The stupid cactus. Francis, you know you shouldn't say that to the plants. Come on, Chris. What can a stupid cactus do to you? Ouch! You were saying? Never mind. Ouch! What's so funny, Sonic? I always knew you were a porcupine butt. Porcupine butt? That's a new one.
Paper cut. What's our time, Tails? Tails?
What? Oh, I forgot to hit stop. Can you do it again?